Shingles by M.Fabiano. A general overview. Shingles has a long recorded history, but physicians and scientists were unable to distinguish this particular disease from blistering caused by smallpox, ergotism, and erysipelas. In the 18th century, William Heberden finally managed to distinguish between shingles and smallpox. In the 19th century, shingles was differentiated from erysipelas. Also, it was concluded that the disease developed from nerve cell bodies. Finally, in the 20th century, scientists realized that chickenpox and shingles developed from the same virus. So what causes shingles? Shingles is caused by the varicella-zoster virus, the same virus that causes chickenpox. Shingles cannot be passed from one person to another. However, a person with shingles can give someone chickenpox only if they have never had it before. The virus is spread through direct contact with fluid from the rash blisters caused by shingles. After a person recovers from chickenpox, the virus stays dormant, however can reactivate years later, causing shingles. So incidences. Almost 1 out of every 3 people in the United States will develop shingles in their lifetime. There are an estimated 1 million cases of shingles each year in the United States. People who have an immune condition like leukemia, lymphoma, and HIV and receive immunosuppressive drugs such as steroids and drugs given after an organ transplantation are at a higher risk for shingles. Shingles doesn't affect a certain age group or ethnic group, however, the risks of shingles increases as you age. Studies suggest that there are 96 deaths each year in which shingles is the actual underlying cause. Most of these deaths were elderly people with compromised or suppressive immune systems. Common signs and symptoms. Shingles is a painful rash that develops on one side of the face or body. The most common symptoms of shingles include fever, headache, chills, upset stomach, and in severe cases, shingles can also affect the eye, causing blurry vision. Diagnosis. Shingles is hardest to diagnose in children and young adults. However, the signs and symptoms of shingles are usually distinctive enough to make an accurate clinical diagnosis once the rash has appeared. The downside is often doctors can't actually diagnose a patient without them having a rash. Treatment. For treatment, there are several medicines. Anaclover, valaciclover, and famciclover are readily available. Taking the recommended treatment options will shorten the length and severity of the illness. To be the most effective, it's advised to start treatment as soon as the rash appears. Analgesics may aid in reducing pain caused by shingles. Calamine lotion and colloidal oatmeal baths may help with the itching factors. Prevention. The only way to reduce and prevent the risk of developing shingles is to get vaccinated. Shingles vaccines are readily available in pharmacies and doctors' offices. It's also recommended that healthy 50-year-olds get 2 doses of the shingles vaccine. These are my sources.